Alright, so before modifying the game files, I want to start with a clean install, just so you can see that everything is clean, fresh and stock file. So I uninstall the game and then I reinstall it. And after the installation is complete, just to make sure the file is in place, I launch the game once. And probably you should do too. It's not really mandatory, but it's rather important, at least for me. Sometimes the game won't work well and some files won't generate if you don't run the game at least once. And after that you enter the game's folder, main folder, look outside, which is located in program files, Steam, Steam apps, common and the game name. In this case look outside. Then you open the audio, BGM or background music. And here you can see the encrypted music files. Even if you try to open them with any sort of music player or media player, it simply won't play the files. It's not because they are wrong or broken in some way, but they are encrypted with RPG Maker MV. So to access these files, you need to search patch codes RPG Maker MV and MZ decryptor and encryptor. It's a very useful online platform that helps you decrypt and encrypt files made with RPG Maker MV or MZ. So you need to go to look outside data and select system.json and then press detect. It will generate you the decrypt code which helps you with the decryption of various in-game files. So you select the in-game musics or the background musics, as you can see 101 file selected, and then press decrypt. You can see all the music files here. And after that you can save all as a zip file. Then download it and you have all the files on your hand. And now they are simple OGG Vorbis music files that you can play with most modern music and media players. So to edit them you need to decompress or unpack them somewhere with some kind of file manager. I tend to use 7-zip, and then you need to open the files you want to modify just to listen. I can't remember all 100 songs from my head, so I just try to navigate and find the songs that I wish to edit. In this case, we want to edit the main music. It is something like outside the window, broken window, or the window, I'm not entirely sure, but soon I will find it. It's just mostly on try and an error kind of way. So after you find the music you want to replace in the game, you need to remember its original file name, because we are going to replace it. Then look up the music you want to use in the game. In this case I want to replace with the Child of Light official soundtrack, one song from it. And then you need to make the new music into the very same file format that the game uses. In this case it's OGG Vorbis. And if you have FFMpeg or something like that, you can use with command line tools to convert. And while media player BA won't really play it, trust me, it works. Then you need to do the vice versa, or the reverse. In this case encrypt the music file and press re-encrypt MV. Now you have the window RPG MVO file extension, and all you have to do is rename it into OGG _. Now it's just a simple rename extension, it won't break the file or destroy it, trust me. And then you replace it in the game folder. And after you launch the game, now the new music will play in place of the original. And as you can hear, the new blue music already has taken its place and it's working as intended. And you have to do the same with every single music you want to replace in the game, or you want to just decrypt and listen to them. So, I hope that helped. Please take care.